Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in one of my recent videos, I made a video on how you can easily claim 140 USD bonus from PrimeXBT. On the previous video, I claimed about 40 USD, and in this video today I have just claimed 100 USDT, as you can see, because in the previous video I actually mentioned that I'll be trading up to a volume to be able to have a chance to claim the $100, and as you can see on your screen guys, I have successfully claimed my $100. It's quite easy guys. So if you want to learn how, or you want to know how I managed to claim up to 140 USD from PrimeXBT, the only thing you need to do is to click on this link, or you can click on the video you can see on your screen now to learn how you can easily claim 140 USD from PrimeXBT. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video.